Good evening or good afternoon, good morning, whenever. Dan Fitzpatrick here, stockmarketmentor.com. And I want to look at Tesla because I think this is close to breaking out. I'll just say this, it's a pretty easy video. It could take me another 10 seconds. If the stock breaks out above 1700, that's when you want to buy this stock. And then you just kind of keep a fairly tight stop on it. Or maybe, because this is a high momentum stock. When it moves fast and it's really gappy like it is here. I mean, I'll wake up in the morning and look at my quotes and go like, my God, Tesla's up $90 or something like that. So just watch this stock as long as it's in this range, 14 to 1700. I think you just range trading, but you don't really expect a whole lot. But once this breaks out above 1700, this could run to two grand pretty quick. Remember, they're splitting 5-for-1, and sorry, I forget what day they're splitting. I think it's right at the end of the month. But anyway, so this is a stock I believe that's ultimately going higher. I just really do. I would wait though. You're not getting, you're saying, oh, well, I'll buy it before it breaks out above 1700 and make $50 more. Okay, well, you don't know that it's going to break out at 1700. I'm just some dude that you've never met who's telling you that if it does break above 1700, buy it. I'm not telling you it will. Okay, so don't base your trade on something that you think I'm saying. And I see people do that all the time. I mean, I actually see people giving other traders grief about some stock that they posted on Twitter, a week or two ago, and they say like, "Boy, you suck. I lost money on your quote pick." And I'm thinking to myself, did Twitter initiate some big subscription fee that I don't know about, where all these people are paying money to get stock picks from some dude with a handle like at one hot stock or not? So don't take anybody's word for anything. Use your own methods. But with that said, if the stock trades above 1700, that would be the best time to be buying the stock. Okay. One thing real quick. We're right in the middle of our membership drive, frankly. It's a fast track orientation because we've had a lot of new members coming in. I'd like to think it's because of me. Who knows? Maybe it is. But I also think there's a lot of people sitting around at home worrying about their money because of the whole COVID boogie thing. And so they're trying to get into trading a little more, which is great. That's why I'm here. But we have this fast track orientation where we're showing people, I'm showing people a lot of videos. I mean, hours and hours and hours of videos that you get for free that are geared to teach you some things that you don't know now that are going to help you make money. I taught about an hour and a half class last night for all of our new members, and we just got rave reviews about it. I'm teaching you guys the good stuff. I'm not just throwing stuff out there, hoping that you'll buy my trading system on PayPal or something like that. I'm giving you good stuff that works, and we've got a lot of members who are really loving it, and I want you to be a part of it. And here's the thing, you really didn't miss anything. You can still, quote, go to that webinar because we recorded it. Oh, but wait, there's more. We actually have a fast version. Your mind, as fast as my mouth works, your mind works faster than me, without a doubt. So you can be watching this video in fast version, get all the content without having to invest all the time in that. That's how our videos work, my strategy sessions as well. You can get all of me in half the time. And hey, who wouldn't want to take advantage of that?